Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam. You're watching Unlimited Options Investing. We're out here. The market has been crazy volatile, but that's not even the biggest part. Crypto has potentially, keyword potentially, broken out. We've at least broken this downtrend that's just been pushing us down ever since maybe December. So during market open today, I was trading my weekly options, and I take a look at my watch list and I see that Ethereum has gone up. So I'm like, wait a second. I take a look at the chart. I'm like, oh, snap. Ethereum had broken the downtrend, pulled back, found support on it, and then continued going higher. And that caught my eye. And then I took a look at Bitcoin, and it was just pushing against its downtrend, and now it's broken it. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves now. This could be a false breakout, is that we haven't been able to do this for so long. We're down 50% from our high, so this is very encouraging. In terms of the stock market, Amazon has saved the day, it seems. Our sentiment has just changed for whatever reason. Big money has flooded into the markets so far. It's about 2 hours from close. Today's Friday. But right now the market is pretty green, especially technology, as the Nasdaq is up 1.5% so far on the day. And in other news, bond yields have also gone up pretty drastically, with the 2-year yield jumping from 1.2 to 1.3, and the 10-year yield jumping from 1.8 to 1.9, while the Nasdaq and Bitcoin crypto going up at the same time. What's going on? Let's take a quick look at the charts. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome aboard and hit that subscribe button. Here at Unlimited Options Investing, we talk everything from stocks, crypto, options, ETFs, and we're investing for the long term. As always, smash that like button and let's get started. All right, so first looking at Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, so we can clearly see that over here we broke the downtrend, we pulled back, found support on it, and then we continued moving even higher on high volume. And if we zoom out, let's take a look at the weekly. We can see this downtrend has been in play for a few months now, ever since the middle of December, and it's been a pretty rough ride down. And what we noticed is that we broke the downtrend 1, 2, 3, 4 candles ago, so about 16 hours ago, whereas if we take a look at Bitcoin, we only broke the trend 2 hours ago. Ethereum definitely led the way there. We're seeing a similar pattern. Will it find supply on the downtrend as well? You'd have to think so, but not necessarily. And at the same time, we're also seeing strength across the board: Cardano, XRP, Solana, Mana. So again, guys, very encouraging. We'll keep a closer look on it over the weekend, because as I kept saying, week after week after week, until we break this downtrend, there's really nothing to talk about. Now we have something to talk about. So for the time being, if we pull back and we don't find support on this downtrend, at the very least, we want to see it on this uptrend, and then we'll see from there. I wanted to show you guys the 2-year government bond yield in 3 candles ago. This one ripped on higher again from 1.2 to where it is now at about 1.3. The good thing is that the 10-year also went up quite substantially, again from 1.8 to 1.9. If the 10-year didn't move and only the 2-year did, that would have been really bad, because the talk of the town today would have been an inverted yield curve is about to come. But for the time being, we're safe. Again, like stocks, crypto, foreign exchange. In the short term, the bond market is no different. We have no idea where things can go. You can have your convictions for the long term. Me, I'm still learning bonds, so I don't really know where this is going, but just learning every day. And to be honest, I think if other people were being truthful, they would also say they have no idea where this is headed. All right, so since market open, we found support and found strength. Right now, we're at the 20 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. What is the Nasdaq telling us? So we have a double bottom over here. That indicates is that a base has been formed. Then we ripped on higher. We found resistance at the 50 EMA, and then we fell below the 20 EMA to where we are right now. So 3 scenarios. Obviously, we go up, we go down, or we go sideways. Here are some ways that it can look like that. We find the base, we go up, we go down, we continue moving higher. That's one scenario. The second scenario is that we ripped on higher and then we went down, found support around 350 where the blue line is, and we break it and then continue moving lower, even lower than that previous base. Or we go sideways and do something maybe like this and then create a channel this way. Again, any which way of anything is possible. I'm just showing some potential scenarios. And what's been pushing the Nasdaq today? Amazon up 16%. Everyone yesterday predicting doom and gloom. It was dropping during yesterday's session from 2,900 all the way down, 7% down, just below 2,800. And then today gapping up hugely, opening up above the 50 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, finding support on the 20 EMA and ripping on higher, and then continuing to find strength as the session is going on. Looking at the heat map of the S&P 500, we really see Amazon up hugely, up 15%, Tesla also up 4%, Microsoft 2%, Apple sideways, Google, Facebook also sideways, Nvidia up 1.67%, the banks are up, Berkshire sideways, consumer defensive and risk off stocks including healthcare sideways, energy is green, and financials pretty mixed with Visa and MasterCard down, even though they've gone up a lot recently after their earnings, and PayPal slightly green. All right, and that's the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I always appreciate every subscriber, every like, every comment, and just people watching my videos. Just the fact that people are watching them is cool enough for me. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of the markets right now. Is crypto going to sustain this, or is it just going to fake us out again? Are the markets going to hold up or fake us out again? Are we going to see lower lows? Let me know in the comments below. As always, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.